we're going inside, right?
Are we going in now?
Yeah.
I've been working hard, okay? I just wanted a weekend to let loose.
So you lie to your husband just to go wild in Hartford?
I lied to you, okay? I'm sorry. That was once. You lie to me all the time.
Yeah, that's right. Difference is,
Check the
I'm good
little
at
lock.
it. Your lies are like tissue paper. Mine are like that house, built on a solid foundation. Well, that staircase, I don't think it's my best work.
Randy bar.
Is it down there?
Oh my god. That's crazy. It looks even better in person than I thought it would. Yeah. We should take it outside.
Am I still videoing?
Yeah. It just pops in there. I'm scared. I'm gonna do that later.
Where's you going?
Outside. Sparkle. Wow. That's unreal.